Why our modern lifestyle is attacking our liver? Our liver versus modern lifestyle. For what our liver is designed? It's designed for natural food. It's designed for physical activity, proper sleep, periodic fasting, lower sugar exposure. But our modern lifestyle has changed the rule. Now the liver faces processed food, continuous eating, high sugar intake, sitting 8 to 12 hours, chronic stress, sleep deprivation. Your liver is ancient biology trapped in a modern environment. Today we are going to discuss about the 5 modern liver enemies. What is the number one? Sugar overload. Earlier sugar was occasional. Now it is everywhere. Tea, coffee, juice, cola, bakery and packaged snacks. Excess fructose goes directly to the liver. The liver converts it into fat. Repeated daily is equal to fatty liver. Second enemy, this is constant eating. We don't allow the liver to rest. Breakfast, snack, lunch, tea, snack, dinner, late night bites. Insulin remains high. High insulin is equal to we are in a fat storage mode. The liver never gets a maintenance break. Our third enemy is sitting diseases. Long sitting reduces muscle glucose usage. Unused glucose converts into fat. Belly fat increases. Visceral fat sends inflammatory signal to the liver. Sitting is the new smoking. What is the fourth enemy? Sleep deprivation. Less than 6 hours of sleep. It increases cortisol, increases hunger hormones, ghrelin, increases sugar craving, worsens insulin resistance. Night is liver repair time. If you scroll mobile till 1 a.m., you cancel the repair shift. Enemy, chronic stress. Stress hormones is equal to cortisol. Cortisol raises blood sugar. More sugar increases more insulin, it's more fat storage. Stress silently feeds fatty liver. What are the more common daily patterns in your day-to-day lifestyle? As a person from India and in the state of Kerala, in the morning we used to drink tea with sugar. Mid-morning some biscuits. Lunch large rice portion. Evening tea plus snack. Night heavy dinner with rice. Minimal walking, maximum sitting. This is a perfect recipe for fatty liver. Your liver is like a pressure cooker. Small flame, manageable. High flames continuously, explosion risk. Modern lifestyle helps the flame high 24/7. We always blame our genetics, age, thyroid or family trending. But forget, we sit more than a sofa and walk less than our remote control. Our modern fatty liver is strongly linked to insulin resistance, visceral adiposity, hyperinsulinemia, chronic low-grade inflammation. It is not just a liver disease, it is a metabolic disease. Today I am going to advise to do this practical reset plans from starting today. No sugar in tea for next 7 days. Walk 7 to 10,000 steps per day. Stop eating 2 hours before sleep. Sleep minimum 7 hours. One meal, 50% vegetables. Small corrections, massive impact. Also, we have to do some mini assignments. What time did you sleep yesterday? How many hours sitting daily? How many cups of tea you drank yesterday? Last time you walked 30 minutes? Modern problems need conscious correcting.